Welcome back to my channel once again, guys. I'll be showing you guys. A lot of people have been complaining that they don't know how to swap their airdrop tokens given to them from my wallet, on my wallet rather. The thing is, it's actually not all the tokens you receive as airdrop that has been launched that has been swappable. So there are some that has been launched on the only place where people sell. It's not really swap though, it's actually more like selling, which is Jexchange. So that it's more like a place where you go and sell what you hold. You convert it into another token of your choice, probably USDC or any other token of your choice. So but the issue right there is that you actually need a buyer before you can actually sell there. You can't just decide to just sell like instant sell like you do on Binance, where you buy, you sell on spot or something. No, that's not how it works. You have to put a price at which you want to buy or you want to sell on Jexchange, and you need someone that is willing to buy at that rate. Then once the person buy, then you get the value of your token in the corresponding amount you want it to be swapped into. Yep, so that's it. I'll be taking you through how to go about it right now. I'll be taking you through that. Let me search for Jexchange. This is app.jexchange.io. That's the link. I'll be dropping it for you in the video description section. I'll drop the link to this exchange. Then you click on login at the top right corner right here. That's it. Click on login. Once you click on login, you can see here we have different login options depending on the kind of wallet you use. I actually do use Maiar wallet, so I'll be clicking on Maiar, which is the last option here. That's what I use. I'll click on Maiar and click on Maiar login and click on your Maiar wallet. So it's asking me to approve, but one thing I need you to know is once you do yours, it might actually not show you approve immediately. It might just show you just the interface, the menu of Maiar wallet without showing you approve. Then do it again, repeat the same process again. It will bring the approve, it will come up with the approve. Then you click on approve. Once you click on approve, don't touch any other thing, just minimize your wallet, go back to the web, go back to your Chrome. You can see my wallet is now connected. Here you can see here wallet is connected. So these are the different tokens you can buy on Jexchange. These are the tokens you can buy. So let's assume you have an airdrop and you want to sell. So to sell now, let's say for example let's say you want to buy USDC with what you have, because it automatically means you are converting what you have into USDC. You can see someone is selling 10 USDC for water and is 500 water per USDC. You can see it here. So you can see it's more like peer-to-peer trade here. You need a buyer before you can sell what you have, and you need a seller before you can get what you want. So that's how it works. So now let's assume, what do I have in my wallet? I think I only have whale. Yep, this is whale. Okay, I think I don't have whale. LMX, do I have LMX? So actually I don't really have much of these tokens, but let me just go through another means where we can use it, where I can find what I have. So here I have offers, my offers. These are my offers here. So what I'll do now is I'll create an offer. Click on create an offer. Then I'll come up here, click on this down arrow, the arrow here, sorry, this. Once you click on it, it will bring up the options of tokens you have. Then you say pay with. What are you paying with? Say payable with These are the tokens you can get in return, but I prefer USDC, though it's not really listed here. I'm just using it as this example. If I should click, this is what we will get. It's supposed to come up with price for me here. It's supposed to come up with price here, so that I can set the rate at which I want to sell. But unfortunately, I don't have any token, I don't have any airdrop on ground which I can actually use. But once you click that side, that part, it will come up. You'll be the one to set. Once you have a buyer that is buying at so rate per way you are willing to sell, this option I just clicked, this reserve for buyer. Maybe you have a friend who wants to buy, you can just reserve it for him, put his hero tag here. Anytime he's ready, he will come online and he will buy, and you get your own fund in your wallet. So if you also want to sell partial buy, maybe some percentage, you only selling some percentage and so on, you can actually pick that option as well. So if that's how it works though. So here you can pick the price of your choice that you want to sell. It's just that I don't have any. It would have been more practical. But for this part, if you have any in your wallet, I would advise you go through this search offers. And you go through actually search offers actually works with you after you've made an offer. You've created your own offer, it will now be visible on search offers. So make sure you make your offer before you search for offers. You can always have your offers there. Depends on the rate. If you list on a very high rate, you might not easily get buyers. So the fair your price is, the easier you get buyers for your airdrop tokens. So just try to list on at a good rate. I'm very sure once you try it yourself, if you have any airdrop like HRD, like some other tokens that have been listed on Jexchange, once you try them on your wallet, I believe you understand and you get how it works. It's not hard. It's just that you might not get buyers as early as you want, but you can just list it there. Anytime you get you are fortunate to get a buyer, your money will definitely drop in your wallet instantly once the buyer release make payment and release your token. Yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. God bless you as you watch. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to click on the bell sign so as to always get alert for new videos. And also don't forget to share with friends, family and loved ones. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.